Hello Hakim, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you for the 2016 GSX 1300 RL6. This is Hayabusa. 8,473 kilometers, and the price is 11,298 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully certified for Ontario. I understand you're gonna take to Quebec. What you do is, we can certify here, and you could do safety up there. That's the option that you can have for us. And it comes with a tank protector, and also it comes with two aftermarket exhaust slip-ons on both sides. You will have the passenger seat, and I'm sorry we don't have the manufactured pipes. It came like this because it's a pre-owned. This motorcycle is available. If you want to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.